It's January. It's cold. I want to be somewhere warm. So
me too.
We're going to make a Tropic Sunrise.
Maybe you'll surprise me and you won't have pineapple and Malibu in this Tropic Sunrise.
Well, one of those two things will not be in this drink.
All right, let's go.
If we're making a tropical drink, it's got to have pineapple glasses.
Definitely got to have the tiki glasses.
Okay.
Those are from Libby. Those are amazing. Every time people see those, they're like, oh, where'd you get them? We got them from Libby. L-I-B-B-E-Y. Libby.
There is orange juice in this. I know how much you love orange juice, but this is not the worst thing you're going to hate in this drink. So, 3 ounces of orange juice. 2 ounces of pineapple juice. We need 2.5 ounces of the delicious moonshine that's in here, not the pineapples. The last thing we need on this is a splash of grenadine for color.
It's pretty good. Thank you for that. That was very light and really sweet.
I'm glad you liked it.